Tonight, a lot of people are still talking about this. The U.S. Supreme Court rejecting President Biden's $400 billion plan to cancel federal student loan debt for tens of millions of borrowers. NBC's Laura Jarrett breaks it all down for us.
Tonight, the Supreme Court dealing a major defeat to President Biden, striking down his plan to erase more than $400 billion in federal student loan debt. Chief Justice John Roberts, in a 6-3 decision, writing for the conservative majority that federal law provides no authorization for the administration to wipe out so much debt. The question here is not whether something should be done, it is who has the authority to do it, Roberts wrote, saying that the administration needed explicit authorization from Congress.
It is our duty to win!
The Biden plan would have left roughly 20 million people debt-free, but legally it was always a gamble, with even some Democrats previously sounding skeptical.
The president can't do it, so that's not even a discussion.
Today, the High Court said the administration doesn't get to rewrite federal law from the ground up. But the court's 3 liberals dissenting, with Justice Kagan writing, the majority reaches out to decide a matter it has no business deciding. First in her family to go to college, Maggie Bell has over $30,000 in federal student loan debt. She calls the ruling crushing.
It's hard for me to save now. It's hard for me to plan to buy a house. It's hard for me to get out of renting. I feel stuck.
But Tisfika Robb, son of a taxi driver, praised the decision, saying he never took out federal loans and the Biden plan was unfair.
What it's going to lead to is people relying on the government to bail them out when they are in debt.
The ruling comes as the court closes out yet another consequential term. With key decisions on major social issues, the justices have been sharply divided when it comes to affirmative action, and yet surprising many by upholding voting rights. And in another ruling today, pitting the right to free speech against the right to be free from discrimination. The court ruling in favor of a graphic designer, Lorie Smith, who says she wants to make wedding websites, but not for gay couples.
Whether you share my beliefs or completely disagree with them, free speech is for everyone.
The 6 conservative justices concluding Colorado state law prohibiting businesses from discriminating against customers would force Smith to create speech she does not believe, drawing a line between what the state conceded was Smith's artistic expression and a more basic business like a restaurant open to all. The state blasting the decision.
This decision is not what our Constitution, what our democratic republic stands for. Our work to protect equality and to limit the damage from this decision will start today.
Justice Sotomayor, for the second time this week, reading her dissent from the bench for nearly 20 minutes, calling the decision profoundly wrong, saying the effect is to mark LGBTQ citizens as second-class status.